Hello future managers. This is my first video and I am a cat aspirant. I started this channel not as a teacher or mentor, but as a fellow aspirant documenting my journey. If you are looking for a raw, real and practical cat preparation journey, then you are just in the right place. Every morning I woke up with just one goal: to be better than I was yesterday. There are days that feel frustrating and there are days that feel smooth also. But in the end, none of that matters. Then what matters? Consistency. Because to me, this journey is not about just cracking cat. It's about building discipline, time management, and confidence, which will help you to sharpen a future that you will be proud of. So, welcome to the management room, where we don't just document our journey but also grow together. तो सुबह के बज रहे 5:30 और हाँ मैं उठ गया हूँ. सो आफ्टर वेकिंग अप आई फ्रेश माई सेल्फ. फिर बिना चाय के तो दिमाग चलने से रहा. सो आफ्टर फ्रेशिंग अप चाय बनाना तो कंपलसरी है. और ये जो मैं इधर उधर घूम रहा हूँ इसका कोई पर्पस नहीं है, बस ऐसे ही. देन आई क्लीन माई टेबल, क्योंकि पढ़ाई शुरू करने से पहले सबको लगता है कि रूम क्लीन करना ज़रूरी है. मोर ओवर प्रोडक्टिविटी हैक्स. Then I write it down my all tasks for the day in my whiteboard कि मेरे को दिन में क्या क्या करना है. And in between them there are tasks which I have to complete in the day. जैसे क्वांट का कोई पोर्शन हो गया, VRC का कुछ सेट सॉल्व हो गया कि मेरे को वो टास्क करना ही है एंड उसको मैं सबसे पहले ख़त्म करूँगा. So here I had buy some courses from Coursera, like you can see that by applying financial aid, and it cost me around 242.10 or something like that. I had buy 3 courses. 2 is from IIM Ahmedabad and one is the digital marketing course from the Google. So I had buy it around September 15, you can see that, and 15 September in 2024, and today is 7th March. So till now I haven't completed these courses, and now I got to realize when the deadlines are like 14 months, 7 days left. So now I got to realize that okay, I have to complete these courses, and both courses are ending on the same date because I had purchased these 2 on the same date, and one is in the 2nd April. Till now I haven't completed these all of the 3 courses. So I have to complete this. So अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ कि एक वीक का जितना भी मतलब एक एक मॉड्यूल है, एक एक मतलब कोर्स का जितना भी मॉड्यूल है एक वीक का, वो मैं एक दिन में ख़त्म कर रहा हूँ. 2x स्पीड, या फिर ये यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 2x या 1.75 में चला के मैं ख़त्म करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. देखते हैं क्या होता है. लेट्स गो. So hello, after a break I am sitting again at around 9 o'clock. I am sitting again. So I took a break because I had some work. I am doing the classes but I got some work, that's why I have to leave. And again I am sitting, and between them I also took my breakfast, and मैं अभी फिर से बैठने वाला हूँ. तो देखते कब तक होता है. एंड आई विल ट्राई टू कंटिन्यू इट टिल 11, एंड आई एम प्लानिंग इन बिटवीन 11 आई विल फिनिश इट. ओके, सो बिटवीन 11 आई विल फिनिश इट. द होल वीक 2 आई विल कंप्लीट. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. लेट्स मीट इन 11 o'clock. So finally I completed the week 2. So now the time is like 1 o'clock and now I completed it. मैंने सोचा था कि हाँ 11 बजे तक हो जाएगा. So for completing the week 2 it takes me around 4 hours. So I know it's a lot of time but it takes me because पर एक एक फार्मूला को समझना, उसका नोट्स बनाना और भी बहुत कुछ है, तो उसमें थोड़ा टाइम लग गया. And for making notes I took help from the ChatGPT. So now I just have to fresh myself at first. Then I will took my lunch, I think. Then I guess I will took a short nap because I don't know why. But I will took a short nap and see you after nap. So now the time is 5 o'clock and I will like start my second course, which is leadership skills. So here you can see that I will start my week 5 today and let's resume it. Okay. So now the time you can see that it's 6 evening. So I just completed the first part of the week 5 of the leadership skills. So now from 6:30 I have a tuition for my BCom and I will back around 9 o'clock, and after taking dinner I will back to study. So let's meet after dinner. So hello guys, back again. So after coming from the class, I didn't have charge on my mobile phone, so that's why I can't like record. So now I started recording after charging the mobile phone. So the time you can see that it's now around 11 o'clock. So I just completed one RC from my Arun Sharma book. So एंड माई एक्यूरेसी वाज, मतलब क्या ही बताऊँ, मैंने 6 क्वेश्चन किए थे, उसमें से 3 सही गया और 3 गलत, मतलब 50-50 हो रहा है अभी. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. आई जस्ट कंप्लीटेड 1 RC, नथिंग एल्स आफ्टर का, मतलब आफ्टर क्लास घर पे आने के बाद मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं है, बस एक RC ही सॉल्व किया है. So now I will just go through with some quant problems and some concepts also, whichever chapter is going on in my classes. So I also want to tell you that I took offline classes in IMS. Okay, so here you can see that, wait. So here you can see that my booklet or material, you can just call it whatever you want. Now I will just go through some concept and problem from works and pipes chapter. So let's go. Okay, now the time you can see it's around 12 o'clock. So now I have just completed the concept of works and pipes, and also I have done some basic problems, not just I didn't go that much deeper. Today I just revise the concepts. From tomorrow I will practice some questions from this chapter. So that's all for today guys. I am just like you, not some ज्ञान बांटने वाला गुरु and not a topper also, but अपनी जर्नी शेयर कर रहा हूँ जो शायद किसी और की कहीं ना कहीं काम आ जाए बस. तो हाँ, सब्सक्राइब कर लो क्योंकि ये तो बस फर्स्ट वीडियो है मेरा. अब चैनल पर काफ़ी चीज़ें आने वाली है, एंड एक दिन जब तुम्हें लगेगा कि ये वीडियोस काम आ रहे तब सोचना अच्छा हुआ था सब्सक्राइब कर लिया था. So see you in the next video guys. Till then stay consistent, पढ़ाई चालू रखो.